Hey guys, this is your logical artist Beenaa. Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how you can reuse a canvas if you think you have ruined it. Here I am taking a canvas board which I have used earlier for my swipe paintings. I am going to make a pour painting. For this, I am going to apply masking tape along the edges so that I can contain the paint on the canvas itself to avoid any kind of wastage, as I hate to waste paint. Now my canvas is ready for pouring paint. I am using acrylic colors. The link of these colors are there in the description box. Don't forget to check it out. I will spread the color evenly by tilting the canvas from all the sides. Just look how gorgeous the colors are looking already. I love to see colors flowing. Now I will carefully blow into my painting with the help of a straw. There is no right or wrong when you blow. Just blow wherever you want to blow. See how beautifully the colors are mixing. The greens are mixing into blues and whites and making gorgeous colors. Beautiful textures in this painting now. See, without wasting a single drop of paint, I have completed it beautifully. I will keep it aside carefully for drying for a few days and then only I will remove the tapes. I am loving my painting. I hope you all like it. Write your comments on how you feel about the painting in the comment section below. Till then, bye bye.